Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2013 Toyota Camry. The vehicle came in because the customer stated that it started making some unusual lights on the dash. The dash would intermittently shut off. The vehicle started kind of driving erratically. Sometimes it would be fine, sometimes it wouldn't. We said, yeah, we could take a look at that for you. We went ahead and got the vehicle in, started doing some diagnostics, and we noticed that there was several wires that had been melted. The insulation was melted off of them, and some of them had actually been melted in half. Upon some further investigation, we found a module that showed some significant signs of internal heat. You can see from the picture here, there's actually some melting on the outside of that module case. Those wires fed directly into the module, so obviously something internally in the module had failed, causing a lot of electrical backfeeding through the wiring system and causing those wires to melt, which was eventually what caused the car to start acting erratically. Got a new module for them, repaired the wires that were damaged, and got the vehicle back up and running, took it for a drive. Everything seemed to be operating as it should. We let the customer know that they could come pick their vehicle up. They were really excited about the fact that we were able to get the repair done in a reasonable amount of time for what they said was a reasonable price. So if you're having an electrical issue and you're not quite sure what's going on, or maybe you've taken it to a couple of different shops and they weren't able to figure it out, it's something that we can definitely take a look at. We'd be happy to spend the time and really dig into figuring out what's causing your issue. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.